Please come close. I want to show you how you go take fix your screen if your screen for your phone get issue. See this phone now, well, the screen we want to change. Just take a look, just watch am. We just do something. This is the new screen I bought to fix for this thing. As you can see, it's the new screen. We'll remove this one now to start working normal. Yes. This phone is Redmi. It's a Redmi 14C. It's strong, but this is the easier way to put out the screen. Then you remove the back. This is the back now I want to remove. We pull it out before we be able to do any other thing. We are on it now. This is how they used to remove it. You see it now. I'll remove this. See it, I'm removing it now. Yes, this is the back cover. After removing the back cover, we try to knot it out. The bolt inside, you remove the bolt. This is how to remove the bolt. Yes, I think the bolt, I've removed the bolt now. We pull out the frame. This one I want to remove now is the frame. They call it frame. When I remove the frame now, put. This is the battery. The battery is the next which I will remove. Just take a look. Take a look. Watch it well in case if you want to do your own. It will not hurt you. Yes, this is the battery. See the battery. Put in the battery. Yeah. This is the screen place. See the screen place there. Now, this is how we take to remove the screen from the crackers. From the crackers. To remove it out from the crackers before we can be able to put another screen. Okay. I want to test the screen now, the new screen, to know whether the screen is working before we can do it. Because if it did not, yes, it's working now. If you did not test it, maybe you remove the other one and place to have issue. Now I've tested it now. Just it's booting. The boot is very okay. Has already boot. I'm testing it now. Yes, yes, it's working. Everything is working. Just like that. Then now, we first of all clip out the battery before clipping the screen. Then we remove this is screen clip. Now we remove the screen from the old screen now. About to remove it from the frame. This is what they call frame, crackers. They will remove it from it. It is not easy to remove, but you see it very soon. You use razor blades to put the edges and this is the heater. This heater will put it, use it handler. Then the gum inside will the gum will melt. That is when if you want to remove it easily, So as we are putting this in now, small small, it will remove. But if you know, if you didn't do it like this, then if you want to force it, everything will break. But if you want to do it like this, even the old screen will not break. Just see it now. The gum is free now because of that heater. We hit it. Because everything now is free. You just pull it. The screen will not break out. But if you use force, the old screen will break out. Eh? That is how they do it. If you don't want this screen to break out, you do it like this. If you want just to destroy the screen, you just use something, punch am and to break and remove it by force. But now, nothing happened for the old screen. This is the frame. That one now. Now we want to put gum. This is the original gum that I used to put for phone screen. Without this gum now, it will not sit well. This is the original gum. I put the gum down. Now the tail will dry small. Yes. Put it for pan to dry. This paper now. I put this paper there in case if anything now, if as this paper as you put it now, if anything that will make that screen to breach with this paper, it will not breach. Because if it breach, the screen will begin the touch by itself. At times it will cease. But with this paper now, it will not do anything. That paper will bring it out from the paper out from the old screen there. Now this is the place you clip it. As you are clipping this now inside, that is the screen flash. You clip it to the panel, then you clip the battery to on it. Now I'm covering the phone. I've put the screen now. This is the frame. I cover it. So I'm covering it now. Not it. This phone will start. Just watch out and know the next. What will happen. That is how the couple phone easily without issue. As we are doing it like this, we will not have any issue. We will not have any issue at all. But if you use force, at the baby, it will have issue. You couple it now and it's nothing. Everything will just be as if when you buy a new. Just don't on them now. So on them now is good. You start everything. Just be like as when you buy a new. Everything is okay now. That is how they do phone. In case if you want your screen spoil, don't need to carry to repairer. You can use this method to do your own. Everything is okay now. In case if you want to learn more about phone, repairing of phone, you follow this page. Just follow this page and learn more about